Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Piano's Beauty. This is a channel with everything beauty related, and today I'll be reviewing the Mary Kay. I don't know if you can see that. I'll be reviewing the Mary Kay Time Wise Makeup Remover. I'll be telling you the advantages of this product. I've been using it for a while. If this sounds like something interesting, then I want you to watch till the end. Okay, so I was about taking off my makeup. I remember doing this video because this product has really helped me. You can see I have lashes on, and sorry about the background. I'm doing this video with my baby girl. Okay, so this is a Mary Kay Time Wise All Free Eye Makeup Remover. Dry to oily skin. That means if you're having dry skin or you're having oily skin, this product is as well good for you. The direction says shake well until blended. Apply onto a cotton pad like this. Gently wipe away all traces of eye makeup. Okay, so it says this is eye makeup, but I as well use it on my entire face to take off my makeup. If you don't want to do this, like, if you started watching my early makeup videos, you will know that I have a lot of fine lines. I don't know if it's wrinkle or it's fine line, but I had a lot of them like under my eyes. Like when I take it off, it's not very obvious now because I have concealer on, but when I take it off, you really see the fine lines. If you have fine lines like me, this product is helping me to like fade out the fine lines and just make this my under eyes very smooth. So I encourage you to use this product. If you're putting eyelashes as well, don't just pull off your eyelashes. That's why most makeup artists, they end up not having their natural eyelash as well, because they always pull it out. When you pull it out with the glue without lessening the power of the glue, it takes out your natural eyelash and eventually you are left with no lashes. And guys, it's not nice when you don't have like natural lashes, because most times you can just brush it out and you are good to go. So guys, I want to show you how I usually take off my eyelashes. So I just tap it on. You can use a cotton board as well. I think I had a cotton board here, but if not, I'm just going to show you how. You see, it's like two different colors or two different liquids. So the same, you should shake very well till well blended, like till you can no longer see the difference in the colors. You shake very well before you use. So I always start by taking off my eyelashes and I put it like this. After I've blended it and it's like this, I put it on the, you just put a general amount. I put it there and I place it on the lash area, to weaken the gum. Now I'm not trying to take off my lashes, but my eye makeup, but I take off my lashes first. And when you do this, you can see that without me even swiping it, you can see it. I'm just concentrating where the lash is. When you do this, you can reuse the lash. I'm trying to soften. Can you see that? Can you see that? I take it out. When you do this, you can reuse your lashes. That's if they're the mink lashes. You do the other side and I'll be back. When you do this, your eyelashes are intact. I mean your natural eyelashes, they are intact. So we'll go to the next one. Make sure you shake very well blended. And if you're interested in this product, I'll leave the description down below. You can place your orders. My supplier is Rosenbully, and guys, you just put it like, when it's well blended, you put it on the thing and one round, and that's it. One round and that's it. You don't need to spend so much time, especially while living in a busy world where people are busy. Like, You see the fine lines I was talking about? But with the help of this, it's helping me to get rid of the fine lines. So if you don't want to go over with the cotton bud, you can use your wipe. You can use any regular wipe. You add this on it. This is how to take off your general makeup, guys. I'm showing you how to take off your general makeup. It really deep cleanses. It goes right deep. It's so late in the night. These are about the days when you are too lazy to wash your face, but it's still advisable to wash your face. After I do this, I still wash my face. I go over with my face. Always come down to your neck so that you can have an even color between your face and your neck. Okay, sorry I'm not looking at you guys. I'm using my phone as the mirror because I'm looking into my lens. I don't have a mirror on. Okay guys, you can see now I kind of like don't have. You have to do this to you see that your wipe is clean without any makeup on it. This helps to open up your pores when you're going to bed. You sleep well. Without foundation blocking your pores from breathing. So it's very, very important to cleanse your face before going to bed, okay? It's very, 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 very important. This is my natural face. I know some people will be saying, oh, Angel at the table, she started off all beautiful and look at how she is now. This is the reality of womanhood. Yes, we are not ashamed of it. This is my natural face, and you can say I'm ugly, I don't mind. Okay, so that's it about the video today. You can get this product via the link. I'll leave it in the description. I'll leave it on my comment section. For now, let me go. My daughter will let me say more. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Bye. Remember to follow my Facebook page and like my Facebook page for more skincare routines like this. And it's no other product but Mary Kay.